Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Muhammad Shahzad. Today we are going to make a very beautiful multicolor cooling flower. Friend, for that we need 20 mm diameter round and 10 mm diameter round. First of all, I will tell you we need 7 tight rolls, 1 orange and 6 green. For that we need 297 mm strip. You have to use the cooling tool and make it the tight roll for that. After that, when you make the tight roll, we make a flower shape with 7 of them. After that we need 30 mm round, make the round shape with 3 or 4 blue strips. The next step, we have to make the petals with 150 mm purple strip and 75 mm pink strip to make each petal of the flower. And we need 13 petals in this shape. Make the shape of 20 mm. Put the glue and press as it is. You can see in there, make a shape of petal. The next round roll we need 70 mm round. After that we need one yellow strip of 150 mm to make a tight roll for that. And we need 46 yellow tight rolls for 70 mm round circle. We put 3 or 5 strips to make the round, then 46 tight roll of 150 mm. The next round is 85 mm. Then we need orange 150 mm strip. Friends, get the middle, press, and opposite side you have to make the round. First is going to inside and you come to the middle, leave it, and the other one is outer sider. You take and make the shape of, you have to put the after the 85 mm round. The next round, friends, we use 5 to 6 gray strips is 1 mm, and after the 1 mm 110 mm, sorry. Then the next green and orange petals, they have a same stuff, and we need 22 green strips with 20 mm dia you have to use. 22 green strips and 44 orange strip as double to the green, because we put each in a green, 2 orange. You have to press side from like this and make the leaf or petal shape. The next step, friends, we are using tight roll. Make a tight roll with the cooling tool, and we will extend this with what to say 15 mm dia round, same like this. Extend, put the glue at the end and make the shape of round, friends. And we need also 22 pieces of yellow and purple. The yellow 150 mm and 70 mm is purple. So let's get started, friends. I already told you all the quantities what we want. Let's get started to putting on the paper, friends. So once again, friends, 7 green, 13 purple and pink, 46 yellow and 14 orange, and 22 green, 44 orange, yellow and purple is 22, circle 30 mm, 70 mm, 85 mm and 110 mm. So let's get start putting on the paper friends again.